Event number 7 is for the team, the following 4 times. Your first male athlete will do 3 rounds 4 times of 2 rope climbs and 2 squat cleans at 225. Then your female athlete will do 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and 2 squat cleans at 135. Then your next male athlete will do 3 rounds 4 times of 2 rope climbs and 3 squat cleans at 225. Then your next female athlete will do 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and 3 squat cleans at 135. Then your final male athlete will do 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and 4 squat cleans at 225. Then your final female athlete will do 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and 4 squat cleans at 135. The first male athlete steps forward and does 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs, 2 squat cleans. Once he's finished, he runs to the other end of the stadium and stops on his stall mat. Then the next athlete, which is the first female athlete, steps forward and does 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs, 2 squat cleans. When she finishes that work, she advances to the finish mat. Then the second male athlete comes forward and he does 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs, 3 squat cleans. When he finishes that couplet, he advances to the finish mat. Then the second female comes forward and she does the same thing. 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs, 3 squat cleans. When she finishes, she advances to the finish mat, and the final male athlete steps forward and his task is 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and 4 squat cleans. When he finishes that, he advances forward and the final female comes forward. She does 3 rounds of 2 rope climbs and also 4 squat cleans. When she finishes that work, she advances to the final stall mat, and when the entire team is on that mat, time.
During the rope climb, we need to see the athlete ascend the entire height of the rope and touch the crossbeam at the top of the rig. If the athlete misses the crossbeam at the top of the climb, that's a no rep. If the athlete fails to touch both feet to the floor between repetitions, that's a no rep. For the clean, the bar will start on the floor and pass through a full squat before Julie locks out the hip and knee. Any style of clean is acceptable as long as you get the squat in there at some point. Julie can power clean the weight and then perform the full squat. She can also choose to split clean the weight, bring her feet back together, and then perform her squat. Each repetition finishes when the athlete is at full extension and the bar is in the rack position. If Julie drops the bar early, that's a no rep. If Julie's hips fail to pass below her knees, that's a no rep. Bouncing the repetitions off of the floor will not count. The clean must be performed in one continuous motion. Deadlifting the weight and then performing a hang clean will not be accepted. The time cap for this event is 20 minutes.